Hey guys, we received this boarding 8 by 10 picture frame for test and try. So with this inbuilt mat, you can display a 5 by 7 photo or a 8 by 10, depends on your need. So this is a good thing that you can display two sizes if you want to. And this one is you can hang on the wall or you can use the stand that I will show a little later on. So you can just take this or move this one so that you can easily replace the photos, and you can see the quality as well. They're like the really nice joint corners, elegant light black molding, and also like sweat tube hangers for the horizontal. Here is the sheet. You have to remove this plastic because it will become more clear, but I'm just not moving it right now. So this one is the mat thing, where you can take from 5 by 7 if you want to put the photo and then put the screen directly, and then you can put this mat for the 5 by 7. For the 8 by 10, you don't put the mat, you directly put the photo. So this is good. And then easel stand for the tabletop display, easy to open buttons, make inserting photo easy as I shown, and sawtooth hangers for the horizontal or vertical wall display. You can use it in any shape and size thing or the side thing, any orientation, landscape or horizontal, and then play it like that. So overall, a very nice and lightweight picture frame with a wood look, and display with a tabletop or the hanging options for your display.